Alright, so my daughter bought me some slip covers, some velvet black slip covers, and I want to see how they look on these chairs. So let's get it open and see how they look. Hopefully they cover the chairs right because of the way the bottoms are. They look really nice and soft. Let's see. I think they look cute. What do you think? Okay. They're looking cute. Let me turn the chair. Different angle. I think it's a win. And for four, it was only like, it was less than 30 bucks. And they are very good quality. So I'm loving these. And I'll be wrapping all the chairs with these. So yeah. Continue watching. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of them on the actual chairs and go from there. So let's do that. When I tell you it's so simple, it's so simple. I'm going to show you. This is the day that I'm clearing the living room and getting it prepared. The sinks are getting ready to go in, but everything else is off of the table, thank God. So yeah, and I hung my curtains. I hung my curtains. I love them. So let's get this on. It's just this simple. You take it. And when I tell you, this is so soft, it's so soft, guys. So you just take it and you can tell how it slips on, where this is going to be the seat and this is going to be the back. So let's slip this on. Ooh, hold on. All right, so what you're gonna do is take it like this and you're just going to slide like that. That's it. Slide it down to the base and pull it like so. That is it. That is how you put them on. So I'm going to do all four. Okay, so I'm moving the sinks, but it looks so different. I want you to see the difference between the brown and the black with the table. Mind you, when it get warm, I'm probably going to, not probably, could be before it get warm, but I want to basically take it outside and do it and strip this stain and get it to a natural color like this color here. So I feel like that black will pop even more. I love bold contrasting things, so I think that that would just look so amazing. So let's get the other ones on. Oh, let me get this off the table first. I'm gonna do this and then show you the difference of how it contrasts with the table. It looks so pretty with the black. Love it, love it. Cannot wait to put the rug down and do the rest. This whole room, like a little transformation before the holidays, is going to be like a sped up video, but I'm doing parts for different things. So that was the slip covers. I did one for the curtains already, and then we'll be laying the rug. So yeah, enjoy and continue watching the videos and talk to me in the comments. I do talk back. Later, gators.